Every baby! Still prick! Achoo!
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Ako share guys, new discovery thanks to my friends. Okay, it's a facial tissue nga na eucalyptus oil and it really helps you breathe easy. Basta rin ako, dirty tinod siya. Helps you breathe easy with eucalyptus oil and menthol thanks to Florian and Seal.
Maybe. Oh. I had to whip out the good stuff last night in order to sleep. That's irritating the system. My system's already irritated enough. We dusted and moved and cleaned. It was so bad I missed two calls from my coworkers, 2 texts from my husband, and then a third when I was awake. And I got them all at 8 o'clock. I got up at 10:30. Oh. getting a couple out of it.
Good morning, guys. Happy Zucchini Day! I'm so excited. I'm just excited to be at 1,000 followers, honestly. But the more followers I get, you guys, y'all don't have to send me money. Y'all don't have to send me money to do this. Like, I can just do it and make money off the content. Just follow me. Just fucking follow me. Real quick, for those who actually care, my sinus infection is still here. I definitely feel better. I forgot to take my medicine yesterday. I remembered to take it today. I am up to today's challenge for you guys. So, anyway, without further ado, for you. Oh, that was a big one. And you already know I got my handy dandy. Oh, I probably should have emptied it out. I've been blowing my nose this morning. There. Handy dandy TP.
Number 3. And my soul didn't leave my body. Oh my god, is there a 4th? Oh. Okay. It's still tender, but I'm not deceased. Oh my god, there's a 5th. 10 days ago, I would have called 911. What the fuck?
Oh god.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
No. I know. I forgot to. Sorry.